Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. What the frick is up, y'all? Today I'm going to be doing a how I do my eyebrows, or like an eyebrow routine. My eyebrows are looking really tragic right now, so we're not going to focus on that because they're going to look better once I'm done. I have uploaded one of these before last year, but my eyebrows were looking a little bit tragic back then. I mean, they still are. They've always looked tragic, so I don't do much. I kind of just like wax them every once in a while and then fill them in. Yeah, this is gonna be a really boring video. I'm really sorry about that. These are my regular videos, boring list level, and then like this video is just like, I'm gonna try to make it fun because I'm a really cool, interesting person. Alright, my brothers and my cousins and my sisters and my dads and my aunts and my uncles, let us begin. I don't know if you guys know, but my eyebrows used to look like mountains, so they always grow a lot up here because my original eyebrow arch used to be like all the way up here, so you know, it gets really annoying. So I have to wax her because she does not look cute like that. Ugh. Usually I literally just use Veets. I use my Veets wax strips, 3-in-1, ready to use. Honestly, you could just use any types of wax strips you want. I honestly think these work the best. They look like this. They're really cute. Oh my god, they match. Oh, cute. They're pink and they smell pretty good, so yeah, all you really need are just wax strips, something to remove the excess wax with. You can also use Vaseline if you want, that works really well too. Some scissors. What you use on your eyebrows, I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I always outline my eyebrows first and then I wax them because, you know, it's like an easier guideline to go off of. First, I'm just going to start off by drawing and filling in my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just going to be combing out my eyebrows and then filling them in. I always overline my eyebrows just because then it gives me a higher chance of not over waxing my eyebrows. Okay, so here I have like a really basic overall general guide. I know they look really weird and kind of like sad, but once we wax them and then fill them in later, they will look better. Now I'm just gonna get my trusty little wax strip and warm her up. Just so you guys know, I have been waxing my eyebrows for a long time, at least like a couple of years, so I know what I'm doing. I want to try and get my eyebrows threaded once just to see what it looks and feels like. Honestly, I'm fine with like waxing them at home because you know what you're doing, like you're in control, and I like knowing how my eyebrows are gonna end up and then knowing that I made a mistake and not my eyebrow lady, so I don't really like to get them done or have someone else do for me because a sister is stubborn. Burn. Okay, so now that I'm pretty satisfied with how they look, this eyebrow is a little weird, yikes, whatever. So now I'm just going to be taking this Veet oil finish wipe. It basically just removes the excess wax. You can also use Vaseline if you don't have this. Vaseline also works really well, it's just a little messy. Now I look really gross. Oh my god, it looks so disgusting. But I'm gonna go wash my face now, apply some moisturizer and stuff like that, and then I'll come back and fill in my eyebrows. So I just finished washing my face and my sister's skin is squeaky clean. My eyebrows turn out they're like not the best, but you know, at least they're clean and not like bushy and gross like before, because they were growing all over the place. So for just waxing my eyebrows and a little bit of my little mustache, I only used about like one of these wax strips. Like this is how much I have left. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows. If I've ever like make a mistake, I always just take some makeup remover and put it on a Q-tip and fix it up. Couple of hairs that are bothering me, so I'm just gonna pluck them. Okay y'all, they're filled in. This side is like way longer than this side. Now I'm just gonna be outlining my eyebrows with my concealer. This is my Tarte Shape Tape, and then I always use a like flat brush like that. I need to wash this one, yikes. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. This one is just like flat like that, and I'll just be outlining my eyebrows. Now we're finished. Okay, but now I'm just gonna blend everything out. Anything that kind of got covered up by concealer by accident, I'm just gonna go back in with my dip brow and fix it really quick. Now my eyebrows are finished. I know they look a little tragic, especially that one. You guys literally should not follow my advice, because my eyebrows are not even related to each other. They're not sisters, they're not cousins, they're not distant cousins or anything. They don't even share any blood, y'all. They're just like strangers. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it didn't, I'm sorry, I knew it wouldn't. I hope y'all have a wonderful day or whatever. I love all of you so freaking much, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Adios.